let us see the order.
Lord, in a most perfunctory manner, the application under the provisions of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act has been virtually rejected. And
No, Mr. Sai, we are on a different point altogether. Now, a petition was filed under, you're not addressing the court on an order passed under the Domestic Violence Act. Otherwise, the appellate provision, you prefer an appeal against such order before the district judge. Now, you've come here against the order of the family court, deciding the application with respect to custody, with respect to residence, which can be done under section 26 of the DV Act, in any proceeding, any cognate proceeding. So therefore, that proceeding may have been initiated under Domestic Violence Act, but then it was taken to be a ground for deciding the matter in an already pending divorce proceeding. So therefore, the justification. This is what I was looking at. Now come to section 26 of the DV Act.
yes, my Lord.
This is what had struck me today.
Relief in other suits and legal proceedings. Any relief available under section 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22
Yes.
may also be sought in any legal proceeding before a civil court, family court or a criminal court affecting the aggrieved person and the respondent.
That is the only justification of your preferring this miscellaneous appeal here.
Yes.
Under section 19. Otherwise, we would have asked you to go before the district court. Right?
Yeah.
So, let us see the order. Let's see the order.
Yes, my Lord. 21st December 2019.
Page?
After page 156.
Yes, the order dated 21/12/2019.
2019. The relief sought was under sections 18, 19 and 26 of the 2005 Act, praying therein to direct the husband petitioner of the case not to harass the respondent's family when they come to see her in her matrimonial home, and also direct the petitioner to allow the respondent.
Now, where is the preface? I mean, where has the justification been given by the court that it is being treated? This application, Domestic Violence Act was instituted before the competent authority.
Yes, my Lord.
Before this court only, the provisions were enforced.
My Lord, in fact, application representations were given to the protection officer.
No,
The-
that's, I'm not asking
Yes,
that, Mr. Shai.
yes,
You
before
understand
this-
what I'm asking? I am asking whether a proceeding, independent proceeding under Domestic Violence Act was initiated before the competent court, or because a divorce proceeding was pending and pursuant to the powers given, pursuant to the privilege given to any person under 26 of
Yes, my Lord.
initiating a
That has been
proceeding.
invoked. Yes.
That's all right. It was not pending before any other competent
No.
court of magistrate.
No,
All right.
it was not.
All right. Yes, now proceed in your own way, sir.
My Lord, my Lords will kindly see the report, paragraph 3 of the DI report dated 5/9/2009, submitted by protection officer under so and so. Petitioner neither wants to meet his wife nor desirous to live with his wife. Respondent feels herself insecure outside the house, that is residential government quarter of her mother-in-law. Mother-in-law of respondent is residing on the ground floor, whereas the respondent resides on the first floor, having no obstruction in kitchen and other facilities.
That's all right. But
Then-
Mr. Shai, now the first principle does not appear to have been followed. Now there is a statement in the order which says that there is no possibility of rapprochement,
Lord, so
which the wife denies.
which we
The wife
denied.
says that yes, she is ready for
Yes.
on-board discussions. Yes, Mr. Jagannath Singh, what do you have to say
No,
with respect to this aspect of the matter?
not the learned family code.
Whether the quantum of maintenance fixed, whether it is paltry, whether it does not suit the
now
standard,
when-
that's a different thing altogether. We are not on that at the moment. Now the principle is first things first. Now, is there any possibility of rapprochement? Would you like to sit across the table and talk it out?
Not, my instruction will not, it is not.
Lord, I would pray that my lords may fix it in chambers and both should appear.
Just to see. I mean, we are not passing any final order today. Yes.
my lord,
We have taken note of your grounds in the memo of appeal that you are ready for a settlement talk. And therefore this question to him. Yes.
my lord, on going through the.
Are you completely foreclosing the possibility of any compromise, any talk, any settlement?
Not that appears from the, my lord.
No, I'm talking about you. You take instructions and tell us.
My lord, then I will.
Should you even deny that? The court has the jurisdiction to tell you to sit across the table.
No, my lord, that I am not lying. That I will not.
You don't believe that the court has that power?
Yes, the court
All
has
right.
the power. I will
All
not
right.
deny that, my lord.
All right.
That-
So what is your instruction on that account?
my lord, on that account, I will have to seek
Go out of the courtroom and find out from any pervicar who has come whether he is ready for negotiation across the table.
Mm. After 15 minutes, this case may come.
All right, we'll take it up at, it is now 11:15, we'll take it up at 11:30. All right.
Silvan, Mr. Gaurang Chatterjee.
Yes, Mr. Shaib and Mr. Jagannath Singh.
Yeah, my client is ready to come even today, any other day.
My lord, on Tuesday, it may be.
Tuesday?
Yeah, ठीक.
देखिए वो फाइल ओपन हो
चैम्बर
फर्स्ट
chambers में designated engineers.
on the asking of the bench whether the parties are ready for participating in the talk of settlement, Mr. Shahi, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. Jagannath Singh, learned counsel for the respondent husband, have informed this court that their spouses are ready for the same. Re-notify this case on Tuesday is what day?
28.
On 28th of June. The spouses shall present themselves at 2:30 p.m. in the specially designated chambers for personal hearings. There is a chamber which has been specially designated. In chambers लिख दीजिए, you will take instructions from the court master. He will take.
अच्छा पता लगा लेंगे कहाँ है
नहीं आप court master से पूछ लीजिए.
उस तरफ
All right.
जी ठीक
We will expect the councils also to be there.
विल बी देयर उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा था कि एप्लेंट के ससुर अगर आ जाते तो वही चाहते हैं सेटलमेंट बाकी लोग का हम नहीं जानते हैं
वो बहुत लंबा चौड़ा वो रहने दीजिए पहले पार्टीज को देखते हैं. We'll see. We are not stopping anybody from coming to the court, but we are not ensuring their presence either. All right. Yes. Next.